Now let's try example 2. Now we'll look at an example of variables, and we're going to discuss these questions as we go along. Now if we look at this first bar model, it asks what does the model represent in words. Notice the A's are together, so that means 2 times A, and then the B's are together, that means 2 times B, and they're all put together, so that means we're doing some adding. So basically it means 2 groups of A plus 2 groups of B. So, or we could say 2 times A plus 2 times B. What does the 2A mean? It means there's 2 A's, or there are 2 A's in the bar, or it means 2 times A. And we know there are 2 A's in this model. There's also 2 B's in this model. If we look carefully, there's an A and a B and a B. Now this is on the next page. At the very top, we're still dealing with the first expression. What expression could we write to represent that first model? We could write 2A plus 2B. Now if we look at this next model, again we have 2 A's. It says how many A's are in the expression. There are 2. And how many B's are in the expression? There are also 2. But notice that the order has been switched around. The A's are not together, but we have an A and a B together. That would be A plus B. And another A and a B together. That would be another A plus B. So what expression could we write from that? We have 2 groups, so 2 times A plus B. 2 groups of A plus B. And finally, are those expressions equivalent? Yes, and we know this because there are 2 A's in both and there are 2 B's in both, which give us a grand total of the same amount of A's and B's.